video, we're going to talk through how to use the Super.so builder and apply themes. In our last tutorial, we walked through how to use the builder on its own, but today we'll walk through how to use one of these themes and apply it to your site. Here we are in Notion, and we're in our Super Builder template that we duplicated previously. So if you haven't watched the first tutorial on how to use the Super Builder, go ahead and watch that first. Now that we've actually built our site through the builder phase, we're going to customize it through themes. So we're going to go ahead and click on themes, and then scroll through to find the theme that we want. So we can click on any of these to expand them out and get a better view by clicking on one of these links here. As you can see, this walks us through what things look like and gives us an idea of the styling. There's just a few things to do to install these themes. So go ahead and take a little bit of time and walk through the theme that you think best matches your design style. When you find the one that you want, just go ahead and open it up. Today I'm going to work at Chimp. So we're going to open this up and take a look at everything here. We're going to first be installing the theme on our Super site. So let's take a minute and hop over to Super and open up the site that we need. I'm over in my Super.so account, and I've pulled up my resource directory site that I previously built using the builders. Now that we're here, we need to add a bit of code from that space we were just in the Notion builder. So we'll go ahead and open up the code section here and then head back over to Notion to our themes. Here we need to just copy this information, and as we can see, we needed to go to the code page and then add it into the head tab. So we'll go back over to our Super site and just paste it in. From here you can see that the site has changed already background color. So let's undo it. You can see this is just a plain white background. And then we paste it in. Now we have the coloring all ready to go. We can see that the styling has been applied just as we might have anticipated. So with that all as we like it, just go ahead and hit save. Now we're going to go back and apply a few more things to make it look exactly like that example in the theme builder site. So to do that, we'll have to come to theme. Here you can see that we have color theme, but if we click on through, nothing happens. This is because the code that we just installed has overridden this feature, so no need to worry about color themes. We're going to focus on the custom navbar and custom font. In order to set any customization, we need to select either simple, balanced, or minimal. Whichever one is your preference is fine, but you can't customize the default navbar, so just keep that in mind when you're using themes. So for today, we're just going to try simple. And you can go ahead and walk through setting up links and things, but for right now, this tutorial is going to focus on how to customize the style and the call to action. So let's go ahead and go back over to Notion in our Super Builder template and scroll down to the recommended theme settings. Depending on the theme that you've chosen, these may or may not apply. So for us, we're looking at the custom navigation bar, and we see that they recommended the background color here. So you can just highlight that and copy it. Come back over to our builder, and here we see the background color. We're going to click on this color block and put that hex code right in there. We can see this is automatically updated for us. Next, we're going to look at our text color. So we'll come back over to our Notion page, grab the text color, and back over to Super. And then we're just going to paste that in there. Perfect. So now we have set the styling to match. Let's move on to our call to action buttons and set those as well. So we can see background color and text color. Come back over here. And CTA is the same thing as call to action. So we'll do the background color first. Again, just copy and paste. Now, as you can see, I've gone ahead and added a call to action button here at the top home to give you an idea of what that call to action button looks like. You can go ahead and play around with different elements in here, adding in logos and things like that, but that is how you apply the customization to the theme from the Super Builder. Once you're all done, just go ahead and hit save. And now you can move on to the font. So the font is over here in our theme page, and we can see that the recommended font is Corbin. So from here, we can just scroll down to find it, and there we have it. If you don't like that font, you certainly don't have to use it. You can keep scrolling through till you pick the one that you would like, but if you want to keep with the theme and keep everything consistent, just go ahead and hit save. That is how you add a theme to your Super Builder site.